Hi dear children, welcome to today's class. Today we are going to discuss the 8th chapter of 10th standard, that is trigonometry. Actually this word trigonometry is derived from the Greek words trigonometron. Tri means three, gon means sides, metron means measure. This trigonometry is the study of relationship between sides and angles. Sides and angles. This trigonometry is the study of relationship between the sides and angles of a triangle. Now, we are going to discuss the trigonometric ratios. We are going to discuss the trigonometric ratios. So, consider a right triangle. These trigonometric ratios are defined in a right triangle. This is our right triangle ABC. This is right angle at B, and consider this angle C. Consider this angle C. Side BA, that is the side opposite to angle C. And this side BC. Side BC, that is the side adjacent to angle side adjacent to angle C. Okay, so that side BA, that is the side opposite to angle C, and side BC, that is the side adjacent to angle C. Okay, now we are going to define the trigonometric ratios. We have 6 trigonometric ratios. The first one is sine of angle C. Sine of angle C, that is equal to sine, it is defined as side opposite to angle C divided by hypotenuse. Since it is a right triangle, we can say that this AC is the hypotenuse. Okay, so the sine of angle C, that is defined as side opposite to angle C divided by hypotenuse. That is, what is the side opposite to angle C? Side opposite to angle C is AB divided by hypotenuse, that is AC. Now the second trigonometric ratio, that is cosine. Cosine of angle C. Cosine of angle C, that is defined as side adjacent to angle C divided by hypotenuse. Side adjacent to angle C divided by hypotenuse. So what is the side adjacent to angle C? That is BC. So this is BC divided by hypotenuse is AC. BC divided by AC. Now the third one is, that is tangent of angle C. Tangent of angle C, that is equal to, tangent means side opposite to angle C divided by side adjacent to angle C. Tangent of angle C, that is side opposite to angle C divided by side adjacent to angle C. What is the side opposite to angle C? That is AB, and the side adjacent to angle C is BC. AB divided by BC. Third one is tangent of angle C. Now the fourth one is cosecant. Fourth one is cosecant of angle C. Cosecant of angle C, that is actually the 1 by sine of angle C. Okay, cosecant is actually the reciprocal of sine, and we know that the sine is opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Sine is opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Then this cosecant we will have hypotenuse divided by opposite side. Okay, hypotenuse divided by opposite side, that is cosecant. That is hypotenuse is AC divided by the opposite side is AB. So AC divided by AB, that is our cosecant. Now the fifth one, that is secant. Secant of angle C. Secant is actually the reciprocal of cosine. Secant is actually the reciprocal of cosine. This is 1 by cosine. Okay, 1 by cosine. What is our cosine? Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Cosine is adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Then the reciprocal of that is hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. Hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. Okay, that is hypotenuse is AC and the adjacent side is BC. AC divided by BC. Okay, now the last one, that is cotangent of angle C. Cotangent of angle C. This is the reciprocal of tangent of angle C. Cotangent of angle C, that is the reciprocal of tangent of angle C. And tangent is opposite side divided by adjacent side. Then this is adjacent side divided by opposite side. Cotangent is adjacent side divided by opposite side. And what is adjacent side? BC. So this we will get it as BC divided by AB. So the cotangent of angle C is BC divided by AB. So that 6 trigonometric ratios, I will explain it once more. The first one is sine, that is opposite side divided by hypotenuse. And the second one is cosine, that is adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. And the third one is tangent. It is opposite side divided by adjacent side. Opposite side divided by adjacent side. Fourth one, cosecant. Fourth one is cosecant. And that is the reciprocal of sine, 1 by sine. And that we will get it as hypotenuse divided by opposite side. Next one is secant. Secant is 1 by cosine. 1 by cosine. And cosine is adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Then secant is hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. Secant is hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. Now the last one is cotangent. Cotangent. Cotangent, that is 1 by tangent. Cotangent is 1 by tangent. Cotangent is 1 by tangent. And tangent is opposite side divided by adjacent side. Then this cotangent is adjacent side divided by opposite side. Cotangent is adjacent side divided by opposite side. And these trigonometric ratios are abbreviated as sine. We will write it as sine. If the angle is A, then sine A. And this cosine, we will write it as cos A. If your angle is A, then cos A. This tangent, we will write it as tan A. And cosecant, that is cosec A. Secant, that is sec A. And cotangent, that is cot A. Okay, so the 6 trigonometric ratios, that is abbreviated as Sin A, cos A, tan A, cosec A, sec A, cot A. Here the angle is A. If we are taking the angle C, then sin C, cos C, tan C, sec C, cosec C, and cot C we will have. Okay, only that angle will vary. Now, this trigonometric ratios we can find in a right angled triangle if the sides of that triangles are given. Okay, we can take this trigonometric ratios with respect to this angle C, or we can take those trigonometric ratios with respect to this angle A. Okay, that is not a problem. We can take this trigonometric ratios in a right triangle with respect to this angle C or with respect to this angle A. Okay, this side opposite to angle C and side opposite adjacent to angle C, we write it with respect to angle C. If you want to write the side opposite and side adjacent with respect to angle A, okay, this is our angle A, then the side opposite to angle A, this is the side opposite to angle A, and the adjacent side, the side adjacent to angle A, okay, that is AB. So we can take the trigonometric ratios either with respect to C or with respect to A.